Adriana enso ne Young Apostles ebo 2-2. Vision eye Samatex 3-2. Kotoko Berekum Chelsea by a goal to nil. And afe Dreams enso Bechem by a goal to nil. China has to focus nations babo.
Miss Mark. Only one team all surprising me a Dreams FC. So we need Bechem United 1-0.
Yeah.
Now we hear a league log now. Dreams FC not or that. I mean relegation zone. And now virtually all we are nessa. Bismarck, we hear a year standings now and our league log now. Now Dreams FC about to 8th. A year 33 points.
Was a Ghana Premier League points nebo boso.
Yes.
Titi here na say ebia on next 3 games no benya 2 wins bi na bia the draw back bi aka ho.
So much have to folk o mon turn back. So now Dreams FC about to 8 from the league logger and you almost 33 points. One team was surprising again. Me gidi say still anu nia wa start ye ne de at least wins ni bi besan aba aka ho wa hwe ya obefro e de aba esro e wo ho. And again enra wo hwe Heart of Lions any Bibiani Gold Stars dance parker. Now entertaining game. And again that's a difficult game for Bobo Crawford friend Bibiani Gold Stars. So munya sa vital win no. Still they are chasing Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Say ni o betimi I saw this year trophy they are called Bibiani one say because Asat say Kotoko bono na Bibiani Gold Stars and that league log no show. Yeah. So there was pressure on Kotoko. Say at least at all costs they should win. Yes. So almost no I'm a league now interesting or compared to a Heart of Lions we all thought at a point now almost starting league you know your Buffy Bear Matchday 5 banana obunene dikanya. Yes, and even second round you can start here and crown still are top 4 no they were still giving much pressure on ASR top 4 teams you know. But I can say now more form no astati aye BBO but let's give credit to Bibiani Gold Stars because so be share Heart of Lions 2-1 aye names a difficult game the moment I think they deserve see a ball mabaso ewo ho mediama any Holy Stars and another difficult game Eddie Mediama bet at the end of the day Tanko and then the Mantiano the needful Takwati and enya 2-1 against Holy Stars and again coach Abdul Ghazali Bismarck we did say on the senior jumana on Kasano Cross dos
Niamanfa say over league log now more at the 14th position with 27 points. Yes. Over money Accra Lions are or more 16th whichever relegation zone ma there's 4 points. 4 points and them 4 points. Also, you see, and get the now. Over shifty blames no. Eddie call referees. Yes, sometimes referees name say a terrible performance on a day. I na at least a coso teams in the na and I say but at least he should also up their game at least on betmenya. Points need be because they can call there. I think so. Man here, Karela mo nya betma besan ni Accra Lions. Because Accra Lions now they are trying to best skip relegation. If they are giving this performance now, at least now we're ahead of them. Who did this same performance there? Then it means one here now. Actually, no, my baby come out to a relegation zone. Adriana Stars and Young Apostles. I think say one particular match and I say Adriana Batsmania win because of late they also try and say on bear massive points when they go. Yes, but 29 points. So now me say no na komu betimi enya win at least omubo home but at the end of the day almost no entimi enya win one. Karela United omni Legon Cities, yes, these clubs they are all struggling ase was obi abet me escape relegation but then they Karela after so omukolusu to golden kicks FA Cup at least they've bounced back to get this vital winner and they actually push you on quarter 15 for or more 25 points league log. So I think virtually scoreline a year for Karela for their own good because a bit push on kakra and with time no almost no normal say yana Bismarck me gidi say and almost a bit me enya bet maskepo relegation and Vision FC as well kwakoshe Samatex and Samatex Bismarck me nim the has Samatex this season. After some coach no ko ni hu ko ene nim say bia coach de okwa Can say new coach syndrome oba a new coach aba yana players no new coach syndrome ninti no obi a position
yes
it the when move no be try say or best spitting it out but as a still no after some ball you started a second round no omo boy any omone dreams Gold Stars baby since Ratamano so do lose and sheda memu die lose sheda mam say lose omanya if he say started second round no lose omanya na sa lose we no ba say ya na draw no and do so
and we say ubetimi abo draw be 5 ubetimi abo draw be 5 obi be win 3 matches
I lose
2 but still obenya points at you it's now at least draw no a draw so be
even about draw no crowd 5 then nipa no lose 3 we need 2 crowd points
yes obenya 6 points now when you 5 it's now draw no do na enye ade I think say eboa or mo bet at the end of the day omo no also mo no more because some text last season performance from the my no nobody thought said this particular season on bet ma struggle say ewo ehon so no yeah, if the umbetimi asesa enomem ewo ho enso so e de amaya now to Kumasi Asante Kotoko Hambes Mark big game course ewo Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium emra ebo 3 no it was a difficult game for both sides no and again yen nim say omo be say hia ewo FA Cup semi-finals no so no until coming to this game now it generated a whole lot of tension between these two clubs. But then omotimi dia buy ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko enya win ahead of Boboko friend Berekum Chelsea on ma Asante Kotoko as a rabeto league log no so first omo 45 points with 44 for Boboko friend Bibiani Gold Stars ehon so no on general terms me gidi say a difficult game because Kofi Osu ne man tie no show up say indeed Opep one particular team and you betimi ama Kotoko matcha na ye wo because game no start here no Bismarck na difficult edima Kumasi Asante Kotoko because how they started and how ana Bechebi United started pressure Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana omo entimi enye no maye no me giri se na emo aye din e de ama Kotoko but second half no enoma ebe change ma Kotoko ebe nya win no ewo ho kan kesi for Abrantia your friend no Ajete yes enya sa win no e de ma Kotoko but you see and the changes a bit no Frederick Asare on a day I think he wasn't bad any performance me Obemwa and I say onya opportunity na onya edima Kumasi Asante Kotoko and na camera nya suspension no obegirem edima no but the performance na odima no na was show but camera SRB keep goal post no edima Kotoko when omni true democracy for no edebo no ono so performance wasn't bad but no Abranti friend no Frederick Asare essenya opportunity eda pon mu edima Kumasi Asante Kotoko me gidi say the performance on the day na enye bad sa ewo ehon so no ko right side one ma ana yes right side on Abranti friend Adran Ajete no gina right side one and Bismarck ono so ne performance we compared to true democracy and today's match or boy no irrespective of say onya sa go no edima Kumasi Asante Kotoko the performance no improved than match and omobo tia true democracy because where performance and odima and now they compare true democracy
say ya no bond dey lord bob ebro
yes we say no the performance no na e was 3 year compared to last match omobo no but one thing me person me catch ne how I see ever pray in term crosses no me gidi say something at least he should work on it because yen na me atakra kind of offer yen nim say ne asset back sa yen cross ball no enko opponent final third one no by name me gidi say bebe ogia bia no he is in your rush say ene obetimi across ball no e de akọ ne opponent one thing me gidi say the right time ene obetimi sa enoma no at least asat when na obetimi take ons asat when na obetimi cross no ba me gidi say ene uhwe ne crosses na way na baby ogina bia no free say o say etimi e de call no but yet again we have a general assessment to the game na Bismarck na nye bad ewo eho ensoso no mukra for ene na o hwe the left side one so na Patrick Esiedu Bismarck Abrante no o ye adwuma sonko
and na last time no be kase Samba Onel she dan hu match se bia Samba Onel abo wanya ni day the same thing applies to Patrick Esiedu
yes
each game bia Kotoko ebubu bia no Musa Abrante no ne modern one was serious.
I think you see just starting season no personally na me nyanhwe ni ye the starting season no but latter part of the first round no e dey second round no Bismarck nyamianim ne krani performance abrante e frɛ no Patrick Kese de ma Kotoko e the left side one no nyamianim krani abrante ne performance was so papa ye and you could see say the performance no play vital role e Kotoko setup nim even if they are surging forward turning rounds and then the crosses the passes how they take the opponent on me giri say abrante ne performance this season was true ye and again on to us no onye say sir me giri say with time and no betima sesa ama at least say bimpo a call up e benya for a Black Stars your next games no yes so call up because he's one player nyame no obo no more than this season for Kumasi Asante Kotoko
I say call up and say otuado ye no friend mediama is it Kamaradini?
Yes.
Mediama or Samates?
Yes.
Mediama meboa. We heard this season. Mediama. You heard this season. Ghana Premier League ya boya. Mingi ni say Kamaradini ni Monday morning bro Patrick Kese do so.
No say goals no. So I think say 4 goals or so.
I think say Kamaradini there because
no.
Or Taiko national team.
Okay, it's for consistency sake. Okay.
But moving forward, no dear.
Yes, I was a Patrick Urim.
Eyes widen.
Yeah.
So until Bismarck, okay. And also so a branch friend no Patrick Esiedu and so on. So oba echo center penna Alex Samba O'Neil. Bismarck, the least said the better. Samba O'Neil. Hey, what a player. You see,
last night Kotoko game be say na me no kone wa ha na make say. I was saying play and penny fortness. Na Samba the contract no we was sign too.
Revelation be Berekum Zuba with them.
Oh yeah, kasa.
Kotoko supporters this is say. If you know inquire about Samba
nationality.
Say who be here say umbe switch amana to the Black Stars.
Yes.
They are seriously agitating for that.
Because
and
about you know obobo I don't know
F be your F who for can F where one na
well Opemsuo betimi make argument say ebia ye wonu su bebre
say man no care ka god naturalizer movie
ono ne Tanzania and you from Ghana to Tanzania from Congo to Ghana there on say nye nei na niema say ya nye nei na niema say ya Ghana there
well you can say bia Congo is not that's astute in football
compared
but
to be a Ghana.
The person in question, the person under discussion, he is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Say, Ocheneba fans follow Ghana Premier League, no, and win your problem.
Like me Sheben say be when you call up and you run into the Congolese national team there.
I think say
it's your news worker say na Congo cry young friend na Ghana.
But ebia Congo for no enche nya that sport eye mfama no since a boy ebe signing for Kotoko Bismarck said it now are working they've not been a single matcher
yes
Simba
and not dear on your body there.
So I think that moving forward they should consider some things. They said the Congo is too was a Ghanaian Effie Ebeko say only Congo tenacity for a player, but the player in question performance now they are mine Bismarck a national team performance maturity at the highest level.
Oh, but or Ghana need ya come you say be a call up be a bank and the wom. Everyone so a Ghana ni ana the can say oh performance or demo Premier League ni more. And then come you so be able call for say am friend. But say so Congo ni no now be na charge dia my dear and dia be dey. The no contract na me say academy mu ya e be season na no na company for na transfer we no mo ntwe mani wansa na ko na transfer na ja say 1 year bi no de be kan was 2 years bi no de be kan because around 10 there o ye pillar wa chiro
me no ya dream because your player bi o no ma atakra eni kwa say o twen say the contract no kra e be be we ansa na na transfer mpo a negotiate because your performance no dey ma na at least yes. So he deserves say I mean the contract no only the transfer now then discuss he say any obey extend am no kwana me gidi say enye bad because ye nyina nim say performance or the man one share na the contract ebeka 6 months bi ebeka I mean one quarter bi at least I know mana at least yen how our system ye sit here e wo Ghana ha say
but you know first man
be giri say eno so no e wo but again ye mo na abrabant because performance or the man no e was and one particular player Michael Sifa you see emra eye Joseph Ablo e prayer na ene otimi e mesi akan emfama eye kodokoro ye benya eye Ansu e be shame e kakra na on so boy but Michael Sifa Bismarck on so performance or the past 2 matches no enye bad crowd
Zama competition about team
yes
over bench ya squad depth no so wo ho
yes it's Michael
Sifa on any day every other player be jam the morning boy an kon kan say wo nya ni da
yeah
we rest assured say the free bench ba no
be better Michael Sifa so no amianya hoto so bi say at least obi ni wo no world crown na obetima masa top notch performance na Kotoko ebenya e wo achi ontino Kotoko back four ne de nyamenu Kron Bismarck they were solid, they were on point today and again uhwe fifi on na abrante e fe no eye Justice Blay any Andrew team menu hey you see they be ani pale mo abamumu in team menu last season nyamenu Ukraine also performance na but this season open one player any what's now so abo games you know say or bo game jama Kotoko this player in team menu ono so ene no enya bad last game omoni True Democracy onya man of the match he gave us a top notch performance in the midfield for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and he also gave us another top notch performance alongside Abranti friend Justice Blay and again anyone also so no which Justice Blay ana Paul Amidu Akwa enso no ebeshem edima Saka dada ehon ma Saka eche because of omoye I mean warm up injury etimi ba ma
in
all Kumasi Asante Kotoko did well. They gave us I mean good game to watch, especially inside the second half how Omusifa be my performance yen the first half na eno ayede dia mom no but quickly omukoba no postpone at ogum ne mante no ebe change eno enya da convincing win no and at least a slim winner you know say a difficult win for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kudos to the team, kudos to the I mean technical bench no but they can supporters senior ogum kan no be giri say ene no ekwe Wednesday sa na at least supporters na man enye news so hopefully or going forward be giri say performance o modima ye at least the next match on bebe fi ababebo home no I betime see weekends no Kotoko supporters in Babesha Stadium no mo so do mo support e dey ama 18 because at this moment e do no omo be hia supporters ni ye because baby matches na aka no any baby Kotoko da no dey omo be hia supporters to rally behind them e wo Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium say dey be ye omo betimi abo omo modern agi e league no e dey si omo na so right.